Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify checkout customization with theme developer tools, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Navigate to the online store section on the left sidebar. Click on themes to see your current theme. Find the theme you want to edit, then click the actions drop-down. Select edit code from the options. In the code editor, locate the sections folder. Inside the sections folder, look for the checkout.liquid file. Open the checkout.liquid file to access the checkout customization options. To customize the checkout, consider what elements you want to modify. For branding purposes, you can change the logo. Locate the logo code within the file. Replace the image URL with the link to your new logo. Next, you may want to alter the color scheme. Look for color settings within the file. Change the hex codes to match your desired color palette. You can also update typography settings. Find the font settings in the checkout.liquid file. Replace the font family with your preferred choice. To adjust button styles, locate the button section in the code. Modify padding, background color, and text color as needed. For layout changes, you might want to adjust margins or paddings. Identify the relevant CSS properties and make your adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your changes, save your progress. Preview the checkout to ensure everything appears as intended. If something doesn't look right, return to the code to refine your adjustments. Testing your checkout customization across different devices is essential. Ensure that it's mobile-friendly by checking on a smartphone or tablet. Address any issues you find to enhance the customer experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.